smoke alarms. It helps make sure I'm alive.
Smoke alarm.
Hey yo, we call those hood crickets, man. The birds chirp.
No, we need to get that cricket noise out like that. Like
bro, you're just laughing at me, bro. That's not dope, bro. That's not cool. That's not really.
You aren't from. You guys clearly aren't from the projects.
If you don't change the smoke alarm battery, it's gonna eat you.
You guys went in the PJs. You don't know what it's like there. Our lives are hard enough. We don't have time to change the damn smoke alarm, alright? Jeez.
Are you tired? Drake.
Log in.
Holy shit, somebody just fucking killed me, bro. Wait, shut the fuck up. I need to know if red team can't hear me, bro.
They can't hear you.
Fuck!
You killed the dudes.
Drake, bitch ain't you tired?
Yo, what up? Oh, Jesus Christ, bro.
Probably a
Oh my gosh.
Bro, can we kill these niggas, bro?
I killed him.
Oh god.
Oh my fucking god, killing faggot, bro.
Oh, I am. I know I am.
Change the fucking smoke alarm, dude.
Alright, let's go. Please.
Yo, I'm saying some spoilers, bro. I'm not having a good day.
Dude,
Yeah.
I'm about to have your
I did not fuck any minors.
That shit wild.
Take a shot every time you
Can I
hear
get a
a
medic around
smoke
here?
alarm go off.
And I be in a hood and that's
Johnny, you're the reason I wake up in the morning.
Worth it.
Oh, thank you, bro. Thanks so much, bro.
Die. Why would you
Alright, guys, we got
Drake
this.
and Jake.
What?
Drake and
Take a
Jake.
shot.
It's
Yeah, it's me. Kill this, bro. Kill the fucking robot thing, whatever it is.
Okay.
Smench.
you legitimately can't fucking miss it.
Drake,
Go sentry. I think there's a
Chicken Jackie.
A minor.
Chicken Jackie.
Chicken jack. Oh shit.
I like
I
Drake.
know you niggas gotta do this.
I love this
Dude,
because it's
I'm gonna have to get replace me eardrums after that.
Battery.
Bro, I just noticed there's some fucking My Little Pony shit, bro. Ban those motherfuckers right now, bro.
Are you Brazilian?
Change your smoke alarm.
Chill. Last round, they're pretty cool and hip and with it.
No, do not kick that. Do not kick him.
Free me.
If you guys kick him, I'm reporting all of you for racism.
F1.
Bro, what did I do? Oh, thank you, bro.
I just hate
Reptiles, I hope you kill yourself, bro.
Oh, you want me to kill myself?
Yeah, kill yourself, bro.
Still here. We are so
Kill him to say who is right now. I'm gonna bleed your ass.
Stay away.
This is worse than the
Hell nah. They trying to kick my nigga Drake.
Yo, free me, bro. I'm just like John Boy, bro.
Yo, free my nigga Drake, man.
Y'all think Youngboy is in TF2?
Yeah, it's called Scout.
No, nigga, he's a demoman. You stupid?
I can't hear anything.
yeah, I-
Oh my goodness.
That's true, he is a young man.
Everything is happening.
Eat your lion.
Yo, there's a motherfucker in the base, bro. Kill him.
Younger than the...
Thank you.
The pony!
There's no force in this game.
Rouse.
Jesus Christ.
What the hell are you doing here?
Rouse.
Hey Mario.
Hey guys, it's Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Bowser.
Holy shit, I just got jumped, bro. This is not cool, bro.
Somebody, free my boy Drake. Drake from Drake and Jake.
Take a number to talk, please.
I love you, bro. My game is crashing. I will not see you.
We need to do better.
I will not see y'all anymore, bro.
Maybe that'll give you enough time to change
Is
it.
it crashing or are you leaving?
I love you, Drake from Jake and Drake.
I need help. I'm so. Let's go.
Home with the good burger.
I'm
Doctor, please.
the Nazis down with me.
I need that ibuprofen.
Join some medicaid, bro. How much that worth?
Right now, doctor.
All the Nazis will come out with us.
I need that throbbing medicine juice all up in this bitch.
Babe! Yeah, I love babe, bro.
Okay, I will.
That's a good shot there, doctor. Come on, get the dinner in here.
Bro, could y'all above the sentries, please?
No.
I'll try.
Change your
Fuck
smoke
you,
alarm
nigga.
battery.
My small alarm.
I need help.
He's
Wait, we just need a demo, man.
Plan. Guys, I got a plan. It's called I Go In with the Blanca Tonic Punk.
Change your smoke alarm.
Y'all need soda pop.
Dude, once every 30 minutes.
Do any of you crackers know how to play demo, man? Jeez. Throw some fucking stickies in there.
If that was rich, man.
Smoke alarms only beep once every 30 minutes. This guy is a fucking fraud.
I live in a friend house.
What the fuck?
You think you'd fake such a thing?
30 minutes. This guy's a fucking fraud.
Fuck no, nigga. You think straight or what, bro?
Down with the Nazis.
His dreams do come true.
He has his set to every 10 seconds. That's how he said it, alright? Not fraud. He likes to hear it. It keeps him awake. He stays up for like 72 hours on end. It keeps him awake.
I think it's a good movie. I like when Sully comes out and goes, I'm the scary guy.
I tried to whip him in the chain.
I love when Sully comes He's the big blue guy. He comes out and goes,
Raid this motherfucker.
Raid the wall. Nazis. I'm dead.
come in here and hit you with my big monster hands and scare you.
Punch him.
I swear to God, EDP for goddamn eardrum.
Oh, say, can you see?
Can you see? The sun is shining on me. It makes me feel so free.
Shut up, bro.
Help, oh man. Oh,
I just
say,
got killed.
can you?
I was gonna get you Rarity and Slutterfly.
Hey Drake, did you hear the new Kanye? World War III? That was a pretty good song.
Kanye West.
They say I'm acting like Hitler, but how can I be acting like Hitler when I am a fucking nigger?
Monsters Inc.
That's weird.
Did this motherfucker else say nigga, bro?
I've ever been.
Dude said it with a hard R. I said it in the most white way imaginable.
Well, that's how Kanye said it. I'm black, so I can say that word.
I got a sentry, boys. Attention! I have a sentry. I got a sentry. I killed it. I killed a sentry.
Bro, there's like 3 fucking sentries, bro. You did not kill one.
Yeah, I killed one.
Okay.
Get the others.
Alright,
I forgot how fun heavy is.
I'm an extreme.
I got one. Wait, all this shit's broke.
I got a plan, gamers.
I got the dispenser. They're going to fumble up the dispenser.
I'm going.
I died.
We backing him up.
You're welcome!
Yeah, y'all the best team ever, bro.
This one's for you, Missy.
Yeah.
I still hear that freaking. I can't.
Are you?
Bro, y'all are so good, bro. Thank you so much for this win, bro. Y'all are so good, bro.
Yeah,
Chicken Drake.
man, that was so
I remember when you came out and you killed that man right in front of President Obama. That was a real American.
This guy's schizophrenic.
I did not.
What are you talking about?
I'm so proud of you, Drake, from Drake and Jake.
Please,
We need so much, brother.
for the love of God, we all thank you.
By the grace of God.
What the hell are you talking about? It's Drake and Jake.
You're the Negroes.
It rhymes, you know? I love when Sully from Monsters Inc. did a collab with Drake and Jake, because Drake came out and you killed Sully, but then Sully came back on the third day in accordance with his wishes.
Guys, I have a full plan. I have a foolproof plan. Listen, I have a foolproof plan, alright? We just kill everyone.
I got a
Bro,
plan.
what is
It's
happening?
Save food.
I got it.
With my delightful nutrition. This one's for you, Sully. We're gonna free you.
I'm really sorry. No, it's okay, medic. It's okay, bro.
Like you would say that.
I remember when Sully stole the Panama Canal.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry, bro. That was LeBron.
This guy's like actually retarded.
He playing that song from Cars, bro. Cars the dog movie, bro. That's that movie so good, bro. I love that movie.
Guys, say more for Draymond that works for Raptoros.
Draymond Green? What'd he do?
Free young boy TF2.
Medic, thank you.
This one's for
Free
you.
Draymond Green, bro.
The 21st night of December.
Can we get this?
Yo, help me bleep this niggas out, bro.
Thank you.
That was for
Holy
you.
fucking shit, bro. These niggas are rats, bro.
Yeah.
There was a crit sticky and the fire just ran into it. I was just happened to be walking out the door and it closed.
When
And
I
still
catch
did.
you, when I get you, I don't
I
know
want to
what-
beat you with my whip.
My name is not Alan, bro. I'm Drake.
Being obnoxious.
You can't hurt him.
Obnoxious Luther. I invented the Bible.
Man, fuck
I
this shit.
got
I'm
Kennedy.
Wait, who said that? Oh.
Hey, medic, I need your help. Oh, thank you. I didn't know you were actually helping me.
I gotcha.
I got this. Leave it to me. It is lame chubby dumpers. They're gonna shoot me.
This is a fucking game, nigga. Oh my
I
god.
can't hear anything. Alright,
Stop saying that word. It's actually.
I'm black. I can't say it. Shut up.
Before night battle pass, I was there the day they freed my boy. My boy. This one's for you, young boy.
Spyro! Shout out Spyro!
This is for you, NBA young boy.
NBA Youngboy can't sing.
Yumba yard.
Never broke
Artists who
again.
can sing versus artists who can't.
Young boy if he doesn't play
That beam was.
Is there a guy up there? Guys, there's some.
Guys, I think I'm in a bit of a pickle right now.
Guys, what is he called? NBA young boy if he
Go,
doesn't
guys!
play.
I believe in you! Remember, kill him! Kill him in his crotch! Oh, wow. Guys, he touched me. Pyro touched me. What?
Oh, we got the pyro touch.
What the fuck?
I'm obnoxious. I get blown up by the golden
Say it.
bomber girl.
Where did the fire alarm go? I haven't heard that in a while.
I'm a patriot, mother.
Spy is.
We need to save him. Somebody wake him up. Fire alarm. No, he's dead. It burned down.
This guy looks so good, bro. Oh,
Doctor, you gotta get to the medicine, doctor.
Can you give me
Get to the medicine, doctor.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness gracious.
This one's for you, NBA young boy.
Medic, 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 hey medic, hey medic, hey medic, hey medic.
I need the medicine. Please help me.
Yeah?
This patient needs more mouse bites.
I need.
Sorry for coughing earlier, I thought I was gonna die.
Touch him.
Yeah.
We're Ubered.
Bro, rape hero of time, bro. Kill him.
Never mind, don't touch him.
From bleeding from my nose. And I also have to hygiene.
This patient clearly needs hygiene drug.
What is
No, you idiot. Hygiene drug will kill him. I need mouse bites. Mouse bites. What is he talking about?
Skibbity doo dah, skibbity dee.
What have you made an SMG joke?
It's not the
Help me, hey
toilet.
medic, hey medic, thank you.
I remember in Toy Story when Woody came out and he said, "I'm Woody and I'm from Toy
I
Story."
remember when I touched Woody.
I remember when
I remember when Woody said, "You got a friend in me," and I do indeed got a friend indeed.
That's what my mom said.
Yo, why y'all prefer titties or ass, bro? Tits or ass, bro?
Skibbity doo dah.
How about both?
Why y'all prefer tits or ass, bro? Answer that question, bro. Answer that question. But there is nothing wrong with my smoke alarm, brother. There is nothing wrong with it.
Nothing wrong with my smoke alarm.
It's normal. It's literally normal.
Skibbity doo dah, skibbity dee. This one's for you, Goku from the NBA.
I'm dying.
They ain't never seen nothing like this before.
I'm pissing all over.
Hey, that's very nice, but we
He
don't
walked forward slowly and down smash.
No one's
Dude, these fucking
advancing.
online daters, bro.
We're trying.
change your smoke alert.
Kill the Jews.
Shut the fuck up.
Mr. Blanco. I love you so much, Mr. Blanco.
I hear it.
Oh, save those lives, you beautiful man.
Medic,
think
I'm dead.
I think he's doing a bit.
Oh,
I don't.
the gamer, you need to go. Country
Remember
needs you.
guys, there's no better title than the Patriot to be a Patriot.
Well, yeah. I just think that he's doing a bit, so I'm not upset.
George Bush doesn't care about black people.
Hey, medic, medic,
True. Actually true.
medic,
He did say that.
George Bush doesn't care about black people.
George Bush doesn't care about black people. I'm Kanye West.
Medic.
I am
Kanye West.
That's another reason why America's bad.
Bro.
Medic, run, medic, run. You're too much Uber. Oh, medic just broke
Excuse
his leg
me?
out.
That's the noise
Medic, I need you.
when I'm a
Medic, turn
America.
up your Uber so you can charge someone. Medic, turn up your Uber so you can charge someone. All over. Turn it really hard.
Hey guys, I was casting spells.
Yeah, spells. Cast your mental arousing, medic. Cast your mental arousing spell on me, medic. What? Hey, I am dying. Thank you, Texas. I love Texas.
Yeah, man, 3 things you do when no one is looking. Turn it on.
It's like the fucking alien from Take the Dogs. I love that bitch. He came out and he told me about. He told me about the green texts underneath the pyramids.
I was talking about the balls.
The pyramid.
I fucking love that alien.
Who created all this?
Green Bible.
Thank you, medic. Oh, medic, I'm dying. Hey, medic, I'm dying. Thank you.
Oh my god, he was not dead.
How can I be acting like it? There.
Quicksland, get the skibbity
I
toilet
died.
out.
Medic, run. Medic, run. Run for your life. Charge someone really hard.
Run running for my 13%.
13% of the population.
I'm Mr. Old Kanye. When I die, on my tombstone, it's gonna say, used to shop in all D.
You motherfucker. Hey, where are our two snipers? What are our two snipers doing? What are our two snipers doing?
Hello?
Hey, spy in our base, pull the truckers through the spy in our base.
Yeah.
Guys, look out.
Snipe the
spies in the base.
Kanye, bro.
What?
Your mom's
Guys, why
Free my boy, NBA. Free the NBA.
pushed forward? Howard.
say my mom.
Serve my boy,
Stolen!
NBA.
Stolen! And only stolen!
What the fuck was Drake talking
We fucking suckers.
If he was talking to me,
I'm talking to the fucking pony, bro.
I'm talking.
Okay, got it. This is the last one on my screen. I don't know how to decensor it, so...
Drake fuck me in the ass.
Punch everyone.
You got offended by that, bro? There's no way, bro.
What?
Do it, Howard.
Punch everyone.
I do not understand a single word coming from your mouth, bro.
No,
Oh my god, bro. Drop these niggas.
I died. You see, I'm helping you lads. I covered him in my piss.
I'm out of ammo, dog. Drake, fuck my ass. Kill yourself.
That's the dude from the Super Bowl.
Super Bowl?
I won't cover
Big Super
you.
Bowl.
Super Bowl, more
Well, I
like
did like $400 on the Super Bowl night lost.
I put $400.
$500 on your mama, bro. Shut up, bro.
Drake from Drake and Jake, I love you. I wanna slap you style. I wanna kiss you on the lips.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you, bro.
That's why you're the real one. Hell no.
Don't kick
Drake and Jake
him.
is my real homie.
Everyone. F2.
Bunch of racists.
I need Drake from Drake and Jake's massive shrunken dunkler to come over here and go.
Bro, what the hell did I do? Bro, Raptors, you're so soft.
What did I do?
My sister, bro.
What did I do?
Yeah, what I do? What I do, bro? I do shit. Oh my goodness gracious.
Smoke alarm. You change your smoke alarm. You change your smoke alarm.
I was gonna shoot him so bad.
Change my fucking dick. Shut the fuck up.
I love you.
I killed her head.
I love you too, man. I love you too, man.
I would kiss you. Because you're Drake from Jake and Drake. And you're also Drake.
Go up to St. Louis, bro. I'm about to kiss you.
Come on, I would if I could, but unfortunately, that's in like Missouri, right?
Yeah, that's
Kansas.
Missouri.
I do
Where do you live
it.
at?
I live in South Dakota. It's close, but not that close.
Coming. I feel threatened.
I genuinely forgot about Dakota, bro. There's no sports there. Oh my goodness gracious.
State. As somebody who lives here,
Bro, I keep getting hit by random crockets, bro. Like literally just shooting down the corridor.
at least Utah got those Mormons.
Hey guys, this is mine.
The Salt Lake City. That's at least something.
Utah class is like hot women, bro. And that's it. That's literally it. There's nothing else in Utah. There's like just hot bitches. There's nothing else in Utah. Like I know there's a girl here, bro, my fault, but you gotta acknowledge that there's pretty ladies in Utah, bro.
It's the land down under. I love Oceana.
What?
I need help.
Motherfucker, he just came out of here and he said, I'm Batman, and he kicked my ass. Never surrender. We got Drake from Jake and Drake.
Yeah, what up, homies? Me, Drake from Drake.
I love Drake from Drake.
Ow, medic,
Bro,
medic.
blick this motherfucker, blick this motherfucker. Oh, I did it, bro.
Thank you. Hey, medic, hey, medic, hey, medic, hey, medic, hey, medic, hey, medic.
Bro, this medic's so goated, but red team is so fucking fire.
Ooh!
Medic going forward, bro. Medic forward, come home.
In the freezer.
Medic forward, medic forward.
That man's voice crack is genuinely impressive.
Hey, you guys here can't live that, bro.
I can't back cap. What do you think?
What are we supposed to do?
You gotta be
Bro, that video is so good, bro. I really love that video, bro.
I ain't got no food, bro.
I'd rather live in no shit than deal with this.
Spy right behind you.
His technique impeccable. His voice immaculate. His delivery of Michael Jackson in the freezer.
Put that man in the
choice
so
of
that he
Michael
will feed
Jackson
families.
to put.
Oh
His
my
choice.
god.
He used the best Michael Jackson album too.
I used to shop at Aldi, bro.
I went to an Aldi. They got like those apple cider donuts. They're great.
Used to shop at Aldi's like Kanye, bro.
I miss the old Aldi's, straight from the foam Aldi's.
Bro, we find a lose. Count the points. We need a spy. We need a spy. Spy. Pull up to the point, bro. Please, please. Please, man. Please, do
Guys,
bro.
I think we might be getting I'm
In the
Kanye
ghetto, nobody knows your name.
He's a bitch.
I'm Kanye North and Kanye East is a bitch.
I believe that Kanye East said in the Green Bible, if you gay, you're
Green
gay.
Bible, bro? That shit exists? You for real?
They got the Green Bible. It's the greens.
Medic.
Oh my god,
Medic, I swear to gosh, medic.
Matt, hurry up and fucking end.
bro, we are all dead.
I'm sorry, Drake. I couldn't do it. I failed.
No, it's okay,
Drake,
bro.
come down here and hold me.
We all died.
My brother, I failed you.